In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Don't worry, you don't need to download any recorder app because your POCO already has one. So find it and click on it. Then select this button at the bottom to start recording, and quick tip, if you never used recorder before, make sure to tap on allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom right corner. To add a bookmark, hit mark at the top. To add a photo mark, you need to unpause it and click on the camera on the left. Tap on while using the app. Snap a photo and discard it thanks to this X or add it thanks to this check mark. If you wanna change language that's detected here, you can tap on it at the bottom right corner and pick yours. If you want to end and save your recording, use the same middle button. Then my favorite part. To manage it, click on it, hit allow, and not only play it, but also click on those three dots at the top right corner. This way you can rename it, for example. You can share it and even delete it. If you want to manage your recordings on the list, hold one and decide what you wish to do with it. Last but not least, click on this gear at the top right corner and check out all of those options to adjust recorder perfectly to your needs. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!